Got my Jeep crawler here, my Caterpillar right here, and my monster truck right here, and my trailer right here. Now I will play what upgrades do I do? How to make this thing a crawler. Get some money. It's always easy to get money in from the desert, right? Yeah. The boxes spawn so much near. See one right now. My Caterpillar truck. Diesel powered. White lights. Still have to install a winch. Look for money and install a winch. Let's see what the drone. Army colored drone. First person of drone. This third person who can't. Oh yeah. All the way up in the sky. Don't see any boxes. They'll usually be right here where my truck is, near this area, or over there at spawn. Right, oh, right here near. See how fast this thing is? 8 miles only. Play with the monster truck a little. I'm gonna go custom maps. Multiplayer custom maps. Let's see what track. Oh, I know that. I am gonna go with my favorite one is this. Where'd it go? Oh my god. No. Oh no, it's right here. Hadzer Country Jake Lee. Whatever that is. Come on. There. Sometimes it's so laggy and multiplayer just kicks me out. Here is my monster truck. Dualies in the back and front. So I have to upgrade some of the lights. I need much more money. I also have an antenna on here. It all got yeah, it's very laggy. Once, like more than like 3 times already, it kicked me out. You know that? Here's my brother here. He's gonna play with me. This is not my brother. Quick killer. Yeah, this is not my brother. Yeah, but make your own room. Wait. I have nice camo on here. What do you want to do? I don't have desert. You don't? What do you mean desert? Oh yeah. Because you deleted it and downloaded it. I have a winch on this, and it has rear steering. There. I'm gonna exit and join my brother. What should I do?
He surprised me. Talk a little louder.
Okay.
Equip this trailer.
I'm gonna. You wanna be in the city?
City. Oh, sure. Hold up. I need to load my car on.
I don't have a trailer. I only have my truck.
I have a little bit left. I only have 4 stuff left.
I have the first ever truck in the game.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my pickup truck because my Jeep can't, carry a trailer. What's the code?
2252.
52. Oh, that thing just.
Mental issues.
No, game issues. Play multiplayer join girls. 2252.
Yep.
There we go. Ooh. I'm gonna come over here. Come over here. Right here, or here somewhere. Somewhere near me. So I joined. Follow the freaking. This monster truck is so heavy. And I like driving like this. The yellow just looks like it's glowing. This is my brother. Yeah. He just started playing. He downloaded before, but he was very poor. He was in the negatives. So, negative in money. So he downloaded it because when you download it again, you start off with $30,000. That's nice. And comment down below if you know the Chevy Silverado in this game, the 3rd or 5th truck, something like that, is it a manual or auto? And comment down below if you like our trucks.
Probably not mine. Mine's stock.
Yeah, yours is stuck. Stock.
Use it stock.
It is Christmas today. That's a nice Lego. I'm gonna play with my monster truck a little.
I used to have a YouTube channel and then it wouldn't let me upload videos.
Yeah.
Roblox was quite fun.
Yeah, comment down below if you want some Roblox with my brothers. I'll download it I'll download Roblox if you get.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah. Give me 16 likes and subscribe. Look at these old cars. Over here at the parking lot. We need a quieter place to play this. To record. Come over here, there's like poopy color mud. Yeah, look at this. This trailer's hard though, don't do it. I'm gonna do it. Over here. Right. Left. Right. See? This actually makes your car look poopy. I'm starting the trail.
I'm not. Oh, that is hard for me.
You guys can see how hard it is. I'm only going like 2 miles per hour.
I'm going to
Using diff lock, maybe that helps.
It literally says a movie theater. Yeah.
This is very tough.
Okay.
Respawn button. You see the 2 things up top, the 2 people? Like at the right side, middle, up?
Right side?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Right side?
The middle of the right side, and you see 2 people. You? On your screen, there. Those 2. You see it now? I want to quit this so bad, but I can't. I can't blast all over it. Grrr.
You're
probably gonna take like 6 minutes.
Oh, you're almost done.
And comment down below what other games I should download.
Definitely Roblox.
Nah, I'm not a Roblox guy. I'm more. I used to like Call of Duty, but then I actually lost skins after I updated.
I still have it, but
Cause your stuff saved. I had to redo
no,
like
my
all
stuff,
my saves.
my stuff didn't
skins.
save. It's because the anniversary came out.
It's right now at the end of Christmas. Everyone's sleeping. And I will post another video of this and make it part 2. We are going to rock climb or something?
And then he's gonna play Car Crushers.
Maybe if you comment down below next video, which is gonna release tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah, sure. You can upload 2 of them tomorrow.